Good morning, first graders. This week we are going over consonant digraphs, which means it's two consonants that go together and they make one sound. We're reviewing the SH, the TH, the CH, and the WH sounds this week, and we're going to be using them with our reading in our fluencies that we have, as well as using them in your writing to spell because you are publishing your writing this week as well, which means you're going to rewrite to make it even better and fix it up so that we can have our celebration on Friday. So before we get started, I just want to remind you again that it's two letters. A digraph is two letters that make one sound, and they can come at the beginning of a word, or they can also come at the end of a word. So that's really important to remember as well, that they can come at both the beginning and the end. So today I'm going to go over a little activity you guys can do to practice these digraphs. And at the end, I have a challenge for our math this week as well. Okay, so for the activity this week, I've given you a vowel bank with our vowels in it, and I've given you some random letters in a letter bank. I want you to use these two banks and using the letter banks, create as many words with the digraphs as you can. So you're going to be taking these letters and putting them together to make as many as each. Now, I would recommend doing it on, again, this week, you can do it on any piece of paper you have at home or that's available to you. Some of you have whiteboards and you can do it on that as well. I did mine in my journal again. So I would recommend organizing your activity by putting the four digraphs we're working on at the top, just to remind you of which ones you're trying to make in each word. And you can make a table like this. And then using the word banks up here, I'm going to give you an example. Like I can use this to do the word, I could do chair. And so I used CH, I used A and I, and R, and those are all in my banks. So that is a good one. I'm not using any letters that are not in my banks. Once you've created as many words as you can, I do have a challenge for you. This week, we are working on recording data and graphing. So I want you to take what you have of each up here and create a graph for it down here. So as of right now, if I was going to create a graph or a tally chart, I would have my four digraphs organized kind of like up there, but I would only have one tally mark in the CH box or the CH column because I only have one word created there. And then you can fill in your data sheet as you are creating your words up here, and it just keeps it nice and organized for you. Again, you can take a picture of your activity and share it with us on Seesaw, or you can have mom or dad email it to us as well. We would be really excited to see how you guys are working with our language and creating different words with the different sounds we're practicing. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.